Welcome to free online coaching. This is Praveen Kumar Pandey, your online tutor. In today's lecture, yeah, you can see it. Okay, yeah, it is. Yeah, okay. Now, in today's lecture, I'm going to solve, explain some other aspects of string. How to and all of these questions are very simple questions, but it is necessary to understand these things. Okay, guys. So let's start. You had seen main question like this. You had seen question like this. This is okay, and this is a pulley. This is a pulley. Okay. This is pulley. Okay, this is a new term, new thing which come into picture. Okay, guys. So just wait. I am going to explain all of the things. And this is a block. This is A. This is B. Okay, let me explain. This is B. Okay, and mass of A is equal to, let me suppose, 1 kg. Okay, guys. And mass of B is equal to mass of B is equal to mass of B is equal to 1 kg. Okay, mass of B is equal to also 1 kg. Okay, so what is the question here? Question here is find, what is question here? Find tension in string. Okay, find tension in string. Okay, in string. And acceleration. Okay, acceleration. Find tension in string, acceleration, and again tension in string, acceleration. It is clear. Yeah, visibility is clear, no? Okay. And then third is, yeah, tension string, acceleration of A and B. Okay, and what is given here, that pulley is massless. Pulley is massless, and second, frictionless, and third, string is massless. Okay, guys. Third is string is massless. So string is massless. So okay, we wanted to know what is the fixed tension string, what is the acceleration of A and B. Okay, so now, guys, whatever question is, there are three fundamental steps. Here you see, here there are two bodies, A and B, and both are connected by string and a pulley. Here is a pulley. Okay, but pulley is massless, and we have to consider A and B. Okay, mass of A is 1 kg, mass of B is also 1 kg. Okay, so guys, it for brilliant student, for good student, this question may look a very simple one. Okay, but to if you wanted to understand the things, if you wanted to grab concept, okay, you should have to follow some pattern. You have to solve the question in classical manner. Okay, guys, so it is necessary to follow all these steps. When you got confidence, and when you understand the concept very easily, understand the concept, grab the concept, then we will go for short trick and start the question, solving the question in different way. Okay, but it is necessary to learn the concept. You have to uh, solve all the question in classical manner. Okay, in classical way. Okay, so let's start the things. So first step is, first and second step is, you can depend upon you what you wanted to do first. First step is, let me write down, to stabilize, try to find acceleration relationship, acceleration relationship. Okay, relationship. This is the first step. And second step is stabilize acceleration relationship. And second step is find, draw free body diagram. Draw free body. You can switch between first and second, it's depend upon you, but I will prefer to do first and second and third. This draw free body diagram, diagram, drawing free body diagram. And second step is, and third step is writing down equation. Okay, writing down equation. And this nearly cover 50%, this is 40%, this is 10%. Okay, so let me draw. You can do first this and then this, depend upon you. You can switch between these two, but I prefer to do first to grab your attention. Okay guys, so let's start on this. Yeah, we are going to do. Okay, now string, what is the extra data we required is that string is inextensible. String is inextensible means we cannot increase the length of string. Okay, string is inextensible. Okay guys, so length of string is not going to change. Inextensible, this means this length of string is not going to change. So this, let's suppose this length, if this distance is x from here to here. Okay, this length is L1. This length is L1 from pulley to this, and this is L2. Okay, this is L2 from here to here. This is L2. Okay guys, so this pulley is fixed, it can rotate only. This pulley is fixed. Okay, this pulley is fixed, it can slip, and this string can slip on this pulley freely. Okay, so let's start. Let's see. So let's suppose this block A moved upward. Okay, you can think that you can take, suppose that it can move downward, but what I had taken it, let's suppose it has moved upward. So let's suppose this amount, it moved upward by x. Okay guys, so it reached here, somewhere here. This end has reached somewhere here. Okay, so this actually, from now this end has moved upward by amount x. Okay, by amount x. Now let's suppose this end, this has moved downward by amount y. Okay, so what is the new length? If you see, so this will be on new length, this. And if you see the geometry here, this total is L, this total is L, this amount is x, so this will be L minus x. So it is very simple, L1 minus x. Okay, and if you see careful, this is L2 and this is y. Okay, this is y, so plus L2 plus y, and this should be equal to L0, length of string. Here again, what is the L0? L1 plus L2 is equal to L0. So if you see carefully, then you find x is equal to y. Okay, what this mean? That acceleration of A is equal to acceleration of B. Okay guys, acceleration of A is equal to acceleration of B. Acceleration of A is equal to acceleration of B. Okay, so it is very simple to calculate. Okay, and you should do some practice on it. so that you feel comfortable. Okay. And I had do it? Why I had do it? Because length is inextensible. It is not going to change. Length of a string is not going to change. Okay. So guys, we had completed my first step. You had to follow 3 steps: stabilizing, acceleration relationship, then drawing free body diagram, and then write down the equation. Now we are going to draw free body diagram. Again, this is A. It is clear. This is A. Okay. And this mass is, let me suppose I am not going to write 1 kg because mg. Okay, m is equal to 1 kg, you should know. And this is, be careful here there should be no normal. It's a string. Okay, here this is a string, not normal contact, simple contact force. Okay, so this should be T. Okay guys, let me suppose this is TA. Okay, this is D. This is mg. Okay, this should be equal to TB. Okay guys, yeah, be careful, this is a string, this is not simple normal contact. Okay, now we should draw the free body diagram of this portion of a string. Okay, from this portion, this to this, we should draw free. So I have to cut here because I wanted to find what is the tension here. Okay, so let me draw. You can see it here, you can see it. Okay, let me rotate it. Okay, so that you can see all the copy. Okay, guys. Okay, so I should cut this thing from here and this from here. Okay, so let me draw the and this and this pulley. This pulley is attached. This pulley is attached from this string. So let me cut down this portion also. Okay, so here let me suppose here tension is T2, here tension is T2. Okay, I had cut down. Okay, yeah, be careful. I had cut down this portion of string, this and this, because I wanted to analyze this pulley, forces on this pulley. Okay, so this is T3. Okay, this is T3. Okay guys, okay, now, and this is TA. Okay, this is T2. If you has any confusion, then you had hint to understand Newton third law. Okay, if you have any confusion, then try to solve that confusion with the help of Newton third law. Okay, this is TB and this is T2. Oh sorry, this is T1. This is T1. Okay, this is T2. Okay guys, okay, so now, okay, so I had draw all the diagrams, so just concentrate here, normal view. So okay, so let's think about this, because this is quite simple and this string is massless. If a string is massless, I can write TA equal to T1. Okay, because string is massless. Why? This TB should be equal to T2. Okay guys, if has any confusion, then start seeing the course from lecture from class 11th basic from lecture 1. Okay, why all of these things. Okay guys, okay, here this is the important, what can I write? T1 plus T2 is equal to T3. Why? Okay, what is the hint? What is, because all pulley and string, what is the hint here? Pulley and string is massless. String is massless. Pulley and string is massless. Okay guys, pulley and string is massless. Okay. Now, yeah. So now we have to think about T1 and T2. We have to think about what should be the relation between T1 and T2. You know guys, T1 should be equal to T2, and question is why. You will understand this when we learn rotation. Okay, and who has something idea about rotation, then think about that moment of inertia of this pulley is zero. Sorry, moment of inertia of this pulley is zero because pulley is massless. Okay, if moment of inertia is zero, then net torque should be zero. Okay, moment of inertia of massless pulley is zero. Moment of inertia is zero. Okay, because it has no mass, then net torque should be zero. Because moment of inertia is zero, then net torque must be zero. Okay, this is the hint. Okay, we will discuss and elaborate it in more detail when we are going to study normal reaction, or sorry, rotation. Okay guys, so this is the simple this is the simple question and you could learn it. Okay guys, so thanks, or not thanks, I will going to explain other part. So now we had completed two steps. Now this is time for writing down. Now we had completed two steps. Now this is time for writing down the equation, Newton's law equation. Okay guys, so if you see the figure diagram, I can write TA minus G, okay, minus G is equal to acceleration of A. Okay, this is simple. And second is G minus TB is equal to acceleration of B. Okay guys, so okay, here you should think about here sign. Why I had take this as a positive? Because acceleration is upward. Okay, why I had take this as a positive and this as a negative? Because acceleration is downward, so this force is in downward, this is in upward. Okay, direction. Okay, due to it. Okay, now we had some since we had established the acceleration relationship. What can I have? A acceleration of A is equal to acceleration of B. And if you try to solve this, what you get? TA is equal to G. And okay, because TA is equal to TB. Think why? Because string is massless. Okay, massless string. Why? Because string is massless. Okay, TA is equal to G. Why? Because string is massless. TA is equal to TB. Okay, so TA is equal to G. If TA is equal to G, what you get? Acceleration of A is equal to acceleration of B is equal to 0. So TA is equal to TB is equal to G. Okay, so these are the simple. This is the simple one, and okay, let me draw the figure diagram for next question. This is okay. Yeah. Okay. So here, this is 1 kg block, this is 2 kg block, and we have to find acceleration. So you know acceleration and tension in this string, and everything is same. This string is massless, this pulley is massless and frictionless. Here there is no friction, here there is no friction here, okay, and here there is no friction, and okay, let me mark it slightly so that you can see it all the things clearly. Okay guys, yeah, it is visible. I can write down till here. Okay guys, okay, yeah. So this is 1 kg, yeah, it is visible, everything is visible. Okay, this is acceleration, and so you know we have to follow the 3 fundamental steps. The acceleration relationship, we have to stabilize what is the acceleration of 1 kg and 2 kg, what is the relationship between acceleration. Second thing is drawing free body diagram, and third is writing down Newton's law equation. Okay guys, so first, okay, you can switch between first and second, but I would prefer to do first step because it is necessary, it is slightly difficult. Okay, so let's start the first step. You know, this is 1 kg, this block is 1 kg. Let's suppose it has moved upward. Okay, it has moved upward. So okay, so this actually, yeah, this has moved upward. Okay, by, let's suppose this distance reached here by distance x. Okay, so this end will be reached here. Okay guys, okay, and this has come down. Okay, this has come down by y. Let's suppose, okay, this portion has come down by amount y. Okay guys, you know the length of a string is not going to change. So what is the initial length? This length is initially L1, this is L1, and this length is L2. Okay, from here to here this is L2. Now, so what is the length? L1 plus L2 is equal to length of a string. Okay, now if now in second case, what is the length? This, because string is reached here, so this will be length. Okay, if you look at simple geometry, this amount is x, so this will be L minus x, L1 minus x. Okay, and this will be L, and new length is this is the new length, so it will be L2, new length is equal to L1 minus x plus L2 plus y. This is equal to L. If you look at carefully, this become, and this cancel out, it become minus x plus y is equal to 0. So x is equal to y. What it means, that if this has moved by amount x, then it will also, this 2 kg block will also come down by amount x. Okay guys, so it is just simple, but you know, okay, and you should do it in this manner, because in difficult question you cannot memorize, you cannot solve difficult question by seeing it, by looking it. Okay, just to look at difficult question and try stabilize the relation, you have to follow this step. So why not you should follow all the things in easy question also. Okay, easy question also, so that there should be no mistake, there should be no new thing. Okay guys, so do it, practice. So this is, yeah, this is x, this is y, x is equal to y. So I had done it. So what this mean? This means that d2x d2y by dt2, this means acceleration of a is equal to acceleration of b is equal to a, let's suppose. Okay, so now, so I had completed my step first. This is my step first, this is my step first. Now I am going to draw free body diagram. It is very simple to draw free body diagram. Okay, let's see. This is, okay, here this is TA, this is TA, this is mg. Okay guys, this is mg, and m is equal to 1. Okay, 1g, let me write down 1g. Okay, this is TB, this is TB, and this is 2G. Okay. Oh, this is B, which, and this is TB. Okay. So I had draw the fibro diagram of A and B. Now I am going to draw fibro diagram of 10 string. So I have to cut this string from here and here. This is okay. So now this is a string, and I am going to draw fibro diagram. So this is TA. Okay, again think here about Newton's law, Newton's third law. Okay, and guys, I had okay, I had cut this thing here because I wanted to find tension. Okay, let's suppose this is TA. Okay, I just give the name of tension at this point, the tension at this point, TA, and this is TB. Okay, you should think that string should be tight. This is T2. Okay, and next this is T3. Okay, I just cut here. This is T3. This is T1. This is T2. Okay, here Newton third law of motion play an important role. Okay guys, again T3 is equal to T1 plus A2. Why? Answer: think about acceleration, think about okay, it's no, you are not going to see, no? Think about, okay, think about acceleration in vertical direction of pulley, in vertical direction of pulley. Okay guys, this is your hint why you should think about acceleration in vertical direction of pulley. Okay, this is hint, you should do it by yourself. Okay, T3 is equal to T1 plus T2. Again T1 is equal to T2. Why? You got answer in future, okay, in your rotation. Okay, when you study rotation, you got this answer why T1 should be equal to T2. Okay, so for the time of sake, you should, okay, people call this something torque. Okay, so T1 TA. Okay, this should be TA should be equal to T1. Why? Okay, I am not going to give you any hint. Again, TB should be equal to T2. Why? I am not going to give any hint. Okay, TA is equal to TB. Why? Required common mathematical sense. Okay, if you have common mathematical sense, then you got this answer. Common mathematical sense. Okay, see the spelling. Okay guys, so okay, we got this TA etc. You got this, no? Okay, so now, okay, we had draw the freeboard diagram of everything. Now we are going to write down the equation. Okay, we are going to write down the equation. Yeah, you can see till this clearly. Okay, we are going to write down the equation. Okay, so it is correct. Okay, Ta minus 1 into g is equal to acceleration of a into 1. Okay, 2 into g minus tb is equal to 2 into acceleration of b. Why? Okay, think about sign. Think about sign of tb and mg and 2g. Okay, you should think about why in sense of sign. Okay, so ta minus g is equal to acceleration. Okay, a into acceleration, 2g minus ta, 2 into acceleration. Okay, again, how you should think about it. Okay, if you look at this carefully, what you get, g is equal to 3a, a is equal to g by 3. Okay, we got acceleration, so acceleration is g by 3. So ta minus g is equal to 1 into g by 3. So what is the ta? 4 by 3g. Okay, what is the t3? 8 by 3g. How? Okay, you should do it by yourself, you should involve in it. How? Okay, you should ask this question if you want to learn, if you want to understand the physics, if you want to crack iit-jee confidently. Okay, if you want to solve all the question, you should know the answer, why, how. Okay, ask this question by yourself. Okay guys, you learn, only you can teach yourself. Okay, okay, so okay, so you are saying that how we are increasing our level. Okay guys, so this is sufficient for today, and if you like this, then share this video among your friends so that and uh, they are able to solve the questions, and subscribe our channel. We upload one video per day. Okay guys, thanks for watching.